Hello guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great. So if you all are excited for today's flash session on PnC, then please let me know in the chat with a thumbs up. I want to see a lot of excitement because guys, we are again back to the flash series wherein we look at every chapter in detail. And today we are going to look at one very important logical aptitude based topic, which is your permutation and combination. So welcome guys. Hi Yogalakshmi, welcome. Ryan, Paul, Kirito is back. Okay, so welcome all my ninjas. So Kirito, very happy December to you as well. Hi Shrivani, welcome. Ryan, Archana is here. Sanjay, welcome. Paul Samuel, very happy to have you as well. Pranuti, welcome. Sri Charan, Arokiraj, very warm welcome to everybody. So guys, let us wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that your friends can all join in. Till then, how did your November go? Are you guys excited about December? A new month, a new beginning, and all of us are working towards our goal. So what is the thing you're looking forward in December? Can you guys let me know? Hi Jumana, welcome. Hi Kyoma, welcome. So Archana says Christmas. Okay, great. Maruti Neta, welcome. Hi Sugda, very warm welcome guys. Welcome. Vasudevan is also here. You're new to the maths class. Welcome Kyoma, so nice to have you. Great. So everybody is looking forward to Christmas and Christmas holidays. So I'm sure you guys are all going to have fun. But at the same time guys, December is like a warning bell. Your exams are nearby. So we have to put in our best effort, and especially those who are preparing for 2021, your time is running out. So here we are with an amazing session on PnC. We will begin with that guys. Okay. So before we get started, for all those who are here in this channel for the first time, guys, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras and I'm basically from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I studied here, I went to college over here, and now I'm working in Vedantu, Bangalore. Okay. And when I was like you guys, I too wrote exams like KVPY, JEE Mains, and in JEE Mains I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. So after that I got passionate about teaching and I am in Vedantu ever since. Now this is a new challenge that we have taken together as a team, which is the JEE Enthuse channel, and I'm sure you guys are able to follow the beautiful concepts and the theory which is covered over here by Shreyas Sir, Wasim Sir and myself. So please do let your friends know, and that is the next slide I'm coming to. Hi Ayan, welcome man. Yes, totally possible Ayan. If you're talking about JEE Mains, very much possible. Hi Gayatri, welcome. And if you guys want to stay closer to me, if you want to follow me, ask your doubts, whatever concepts you're not clear, you can message me in Instagram because I am quite active there and I do try and respond to each and every message. So with that, let's proceed. This is a schedule for the entire week. So this week we will be looking at PnC, PnC, PnC and then integration. Integration is also an important topic because like I said guys, calculus has one of the highest weightage in your 12th standard. So integration is very important. And how many of you liked the Menti session today? Today's Menti session was fire. It was absolutely brilliant. We discussed some really challenging questions. So if you want to look at it again, if you guys want to watch the recording, then please be a part of the Telegram group, because in the Telegram group, I will share you the questions. You can go through them later on. Okay. So if you missed the Menti quiz, be a part of the Telegram group so that I will share the questions. You can learn these concepts because like I said, I am going to be responsible for all of your well-doing in your exam. So I want to make sure that you guys are not left out. Even if you miss out the lectures because of various reasons, I want to ensure that you guys are doing something. Got it? Perfect. So this is the schedule and this is the mentee sprint. Today we had math, Thursday you will have physics, and Saturday you will have chemistry. So Thursday you will have physics, circular motion, work, energy and center of mass, and in chemistry you will have states of matter. So please make sure you are noting this down and attend all these sessions without fail. Okay? Yes, all-rounder. We will get started right now. And Sudruti, yes, you were second, I know. Very well done. So guys, we are going to get started right now. But if you are new to this channel, definitely give a subscribe and I will ensure that you guys are getting the best resources possible online. And if you guys are here, then definitely give the videos a like. That would be a huge motivation for teachers and we will come up with the best possible content for you. Okay? Yes, Vimal Raj, definitely. Hi Venisha, welcome, long time. So guys, let's get started with fundamental principle of counting. So this is the basics of counting, because what is permutation and combination? Permutation and combination is figuring out the number of ways in which something can be done. I'm sure everybody is aware of that. The number of ways in which something can be done. So basically, permutation and combination is nothing but counting. Permutation and combination is nothing but counting. But we can't keep counting each and every individual outcome. That will take forever. I cannot do that. Rather, I want to use logic. I want to use aptitude to make sure that I end up with the correct answer in a much shorter time. So that is where this chapter comes into picture. That is where this chapter comes into picture. So let us look at all these tools which are going to make your counting much easier. Exactly, Archana. So what are these tools which will make your counting easier? The first one is fundamental principle of counting. So the first rule which I'm going to teach you is fundamental rule of multiplication. So what does this multiplication rule say? It says that whenever you have n jobs, J1, J2, J3 till Jn, and all of them can be independently performed in mi ways, then the number of ways in which all the jobs can be completed is product m1 into m2 into m3 till mn. Now I know there is a lot of variables and you guys will be like, sir, what is this mi? What is this J1, J2? Can you give us some examples? Yes, I am going to give you some examples. Please listen carefully. Welcome Harini, welcome Omkar, welcome Diya, and Paul, don't worry, after today this chapter will become Laddu. Okay, so Paul, let's say you have your house here, okay, and you have your school here. So let's say this is Paul's house and this is Paul's school. Now on the way to school, not right now, not during the corona period. I know that in corona period you don't have school. So this is pre-corona. Got it? So now Paul always liked to stop on a snack shop. So he gets snacks over here. So from Paul's house to the snack shop, there are 3 ways. And from the snack shop to the Paul's school, you have 2 ways. So now if I ask you, how many ways can Paul go from his house to his school? The answer is how much? The answer is how much? Answer is 6. Absolutely. The answer is 3 into 2. Because what is the total job? The total job is Paul going from house to school. That is the entire job. But that job is broken down into 2 sub-jobs, which is going from house to snack shop, then from snack shop to school. So this is J1 and this is J2. So J1 and J2 both should be completed for my job to be complete. So that is why I call it multiplication rule. When I say and, I multiply. That is a shortcut. So J1 and J2 has to be completed. That is how you will read it, right? Paul will go from house to snack shop and snack shop to school. So when I say and, I multiply. Are you guys able to understand that? That is a very important point. I want everybody to be comfortable with it. Everybody cool with it? Did you guys understand it now? What is written over here? Now this example should have made it very clear to you. Super easy, isn't it? Now let's look at the second example. What is the second example given over here? There are 10 boys and 8 girls in a class, and we have to select one girl and one boy. So how many ways can I select them? Very good. Maruti, Merla, that's awesome. I'm so happy that you got it. Everybody clear? There are 10 boys and 8 girls. In how many ways can I select one boy and one girl? So one boy can be selected in 10 ways, and when I say and, one girl can be selected in 8 ways. So it's going to be, that's it. This is your fundamental principle of multiplication. Are you guys able to catch it? So when there are two events which are connected by and, you will use fundamental principle of multiplication. So that I want you guys to be very clear with. Got it? Perfect. So now let's move forward. Let's go ahead. Now that you guys are all completely clear with this, the second rule which I want to talk about is the addition rule. So when will I use addition? The moment I say addition rule, you guys should be very clear. You will use it when you have OR. So to complete two jobs, let's say there are two jobs, they can be performed independently in M and N ways. Then either of the two jobs can be performed in M plus N ways. Are you guys able to understand that? Let me give you an example for this. So there is a room. Now let's pick someone else. Who do we have here? We have Archana. So Archana is there in a room in her house, and she has 2 doors on the left hand side and 3 doors on the right hand side. So it is a very big house. Okay. So now I'm asking you guys, how many ways can Archana come outside of her room? In how many ways can Archana come outside of her room? Can you guys tell me? The answer is 5 ways. Yes. It is not 6 now, because now it is not and, because she can come out through the left side door, or she can come out through the right side door. So how are these two events connected? They are connected with an OR. So when you say OR, you will add them up. You will add them up. Are you guys clear with it? So she can come out through the left hand side door, or she can come out through the right hand side door. So in left hand side you have 2, and on right hand side you have 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is the total number of ways in which Archana can come outside of her room. Everybody able to follow that? Yes? Very simple. Very good, very good. Perfect. So this is how we will do it. And I hope everybody is clear with it. Brilliant, guys. Now let's try to put it to practice. As soon as you learn, you put it to practice. Let me see how many of you are able to solve it. So please do this question, guys. Everybody should try it out. There are 10 true or false questions in an examination. The number of ways in which these questions can be answered is, what is the number of ways? So everybody is saying 20. Everybody says 20. And everybody is wrong. Okay. Guys, come on. It's not B. It is not B, because the answer is C. The answer is C, guys. It is 2 power 10. It is 2 power 10. It is not 100, it is not 20, it is not 240, it is going to be 2 power 10. And 2 power 10 is nothing but option C. Now why is that happening? Everybody listen. I will tell you where you went wrong so that you will never ever commit the same mistake again. Okay, very good Vishwajit, amazing, very good Jashwant. So listen carefully. So let's say you have first question, second question, like that till 10 question. Now first question, you have two options, true or false. Now second question, you have two options, true or false. Third question, fourth question, till 10th question, you have two options, either true or false. Now, when it will be 20? When will the answer be 20? The answer will be 20 when you are attempting only one question. Either you attempt first question, or second question, or third question, or fourth question, or 10th question. So when you are attending only one question in the 10 questions, then you will say 10 into 2, 20. Are you guys able to understand that? I want you to know what your answer means. Try to pay attention. You have to understand why 20 can come, why 1024 can come. Then only you will understand the difference between them. Otherwise, you will never be able to appreciate it. Okay, so listen very carefully. You will say 20 when you are doing only one question. When you say the answer is 20, that means you are selecting only 1 out of 10. So I will choose one question out of 10, which can be done in 10 ways, and that one question can be solved in 2 ways. So the answer is 20. But did I say you should answer only one question? Then you will fail. You'll have to answer everything. Are you guys able to follow? You want to do all the questions. So that is not the right approach. Did you guys understand now? Are you guys able to understand it? Now, if I want to answer every question, I start with the first question. First question, I have 2 ways. And second question, again 2 ways. And third question, again 2 ways. And fourth question, again 2 ways. And so on till 10th question. So the answer is 2 power 10, which is 1024. So that is the way you do it, guys. That is how you solve it. Are you all able to understand it now, guys? Everybody? Banu? Exactly, Banu, you are right. Nobody has a doubt? Very good, guys. That's exactly what I want. Exactly, Jashwant. Perfect. So with that, let us move forward. Don't ever make such mistakes ever again. Okay? Very good, Manoj. I'm so happy that you are in 10th and still you're able to follow. Manoj is in 9th standard. Great. Asim. So Asim, like I said, we will use fundamental principle of multiplication over here, Asim. Why do we use that? Because we want to find out in how many ways can these 10 questions be answered. The first question can be answered in 2 ways, Asim. And the second question can be answered in 2 ways. So whenever I say and, I will multiply, Asim. Okay, so that is why it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 10 times, which will be 2 to the power 10. Hi Wahid Bhatt, welcome man, so nice to see you here from Wasim Sir State. Very good, Devil, that's awesome. What is the meaning of choosing 100? 100, I'm not sure how you guys got it. I think they did 10 square, which is absolutely wrong, guys. Okay? If it is and, you multiply. If it is or, you add. Absolutely right, Chaitanya. When you say and, you multiply. When you say or, you will add. That is the simplest way of understanding it. That is the shortcut which I want to showcase to all of you. Everybody? So let's go forward to the next one. But before we go ahead, I want to talk about the pro subscription in Vedantu. So if you guys are enjoying the classes taken by me, Wasim Sir and Shreyas Sir, then definitely check out the pro subscription, because we have many such rockstar teachers online at Vedantu. Many of the teachers whom you are not aware of. For example, me, Wasim Sir and Shreyas Sir came to YouTube 1 month back. But before that also we were there in Vedantu. We were in Vedantu for almost a year and a half. But we just came to the spotlight only 1 month back. Like that, there are brilliant teachers whom you would love studying under in Vedantu, and they all have 5+ years of teaching toppers. They teach in Hindi as well as English, and they take crash courses, they take micro courses covering each and every topic for your advance. We have teachers like Arvind Kalia sir, we have teachers like Amit sir, Aditya sir, Arvind Sutar sir. So all these wonderful mathematicians are waiting for you guys to come be a part of their amazing sessions. Okay, so check it out when you have time. We have sessions for 22 batch, all the 11th standard people, the tune-in ninjas out here. So for all you guys, we have the 22 batch, and we have a very good offer going on. So right now the offer going on is 20%. If you're interested, check it out. Okay? Micro course means we will cover one topic in detail. We will cover one topic in detail. That is called as micro course, and I am taking a micro course on differential equations. If you guys are interested, do check it out. Okay? So I will be taking a micro course on differential equation. We have Naruto going here. Epic. Yes. So Kirito, you were absent. I called all the students my ninjas. That is the name I've given you guys. Matthew has seen the answer. Okay. Spicy Marshmallow says, sure sir, I will check it. Okay, great. Thank you Viswajit. Awesome. So the dates, I think I will take it every Thursday, Kiran Kumar. So starting from December 4th. I think December 4th is a Thursday, or December 3rd is a Thursday, right? So from December 3rd, 10th, 17th and 24th. Okay, you can check it. Yes, H Gaming you can. So VSG says A. Guys, what is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, Matthew, definitely man, why not? Sugdha says A, Vedant says C, Devil says B, Archana says A, Maruti Neta says A. Okay. And Uncharted is saying, sir, why not A? Uncharted, we didn't come to the answer, man. Wait. Uncharted is like, sir, why not A, sir? So A is not correct, man. It is option B which is right. So let's try to solve it. Okay. So let's try to solve it. Listen carefully. So first of all, it is a 2-digit number, and whenever we have a 2-digit number divisible by 5, it has to end with a 5 or 0. Do you guys agree? So the last digit will be 2 choices. So the last digit will be 2 choices. And the first digit can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many choices I have? I have 9 choices. So 9 into 2 is 18. But you have 55. 55 is not different. So -1. And answer is 17. That is why this is a logical topic. That is why you need to think a lot here. You cannot directly mark your answers. You need to think what will happen, how it will happen, how to solve it. Everything should go simultaneously. And that is why practice is needed. And don't worry, we are here for you. We will ensure that you guys practice such questions and get better at it. Very good, Ryan. No problem. I hope you understood it now. Takshit Veera, welcome. Very good afternoon. Nice to have you here. Yes, Vishwajit. Absolutely. So guys, shall we move forward, everybody? Shall we all proceed? I hope you guys got it. Let's move forward to the next one. This is even better. This one you guys will fall in love. This one I'm sure you guys will fall in love because it is a wonderful question. Okay, I want everybody to try it out. Please do it, guys. Yes, Chaitanya. KVPY will definitely ask you questions on PnC because PnC is a very nice topic to test whether someone is actually interested in science and maths. It's a very, very good topic. So you can expect a good number of courses. Good number of questions on PnC. Wonderful, Kiran. We will meet in the class then. Pakka. Hi Chaitanya. Very good. Please try to solve this question. Kirito says C. 10 factorial. Okay. Uncharted says D. Yes. Vishwajit, there is a crash course going on in Vedantu. A lot of our YouTube students are studying with us. So if you want to be a part of it, check it. In online Vedantu, you will find it. Matthew says C. Sonu says B. Maruti Marla says 20. Takshit says C. Pramesh A. Sricharan A. Every option is covered. And Sonu is saying B or C. Sonu, only one option, man. You can't choose more than one. Okay. Okay, so the right answer is Uncharted. Uncharted, Jumana, Jashwant and Siva. You have to check it, Siva. The answer is D. And this is brilliant. You guys have to listen carefully now. So how many of you are excited to learn this? How many of you are really excited to learn this? This is a good question. And such questions can come in KVPY. Such kind of question can come in your KVPY. So let us see how to tackle it. And you know what? I am not going to use anything more than what you guys know. And that is a promise from my side. In the entire session today, I am going to teach you awesome, cool stuff, but with all the things that you already know. Nothing is unknown to you. Okay, so let's do it. First of all, I will use long division. So we have x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. Now, if it is divisible by this, then long division should give you no remainder. Isn't that correct? Isn't that right? If it is divisible by this, then the long division should give you no remainder. Everybody knows that. We have done that right from our lower classes. I think 8th standard, 9th standard. So let's do it. So I will first multiply by x. I'll get x cube plus x. Now I'll subtract. I'll get ax square plus b minus 1x plus c. Now what will I do? I will add a. So now if I multiply, I'll get ax square plus a, and then I'll subtract it. So I will get b minus 1x plus c minus a. Now guys, the remainder should be 0 because it is divisible. So can I say b minus 1 should be 0 and c minus a should also be 0? So that means b is equal to 1 and c is equal to a. So now a, b, c are selected from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10. So a can be selected in 10 ways. A can be selected in 10 ways and b can be selected in only one way. And c can also be selected in only one way because a is already chosen. So the answer is, did you guys like it? Sri Charan has got it. Very good, Sri Charan. Matthew, don't worry, Matthew. I will repeat it again. I will definitely repeat it again. Okay. Yes, Kiran. I am not sure, man. There was some malfunctioning today. I also saw that. I was shocked to see it. But I think now it's fine. Now there are only 2. Okay. Everybody, now I'll explain it again because some of your friends are still finding it a bit hard to follow. Don't worry. Let's do it again. Okay. So Matthew, this is x square plus 1. It is called as a divisor. Okay. And x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c is what is given to us. Now they said it is divisible by this. So when I divide this by this, the remainder should be 0, Matthew. The remainder should be 0. So that is what I have done. So when I divide it, I get this to be my remainder. And if my remainder has to be 0, that means b minus 1 should be 0. If b minus 1 is 0, then b is equal to 1. Similarly, my C minus A is also 0, which means C is equal to A. Now we have to select ABC from these numbers, Matthew. We have to select ABC from these numbers. So first let me select A. A I can select in 10 ways because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 choices. So that is why I wrote 10. And B. And B. So B, how many ways can I select? B is only 1. B should be equal to 1 for this to happen. So there's only one way of selecting B. And how many ways of selecting C? The number of ways of selecting C is also 1, because the moment A is selected, C is automatically selected. The moment A is selected, C is automatically selected. Did you all understand that? So that is why it is 10 into 1 into 1. Answer is 10. Got it? Everybody? So the doubt is in division. Matthew, this is long division, man. Long division. So first I will multiply with x, Matthew. So x square into x is x cube. 1 into x is x. Then I subtract it. So x cube cancel. B minus 1 times x. Then you bring these two down. Then you see the leading term. X square is there. You want ax square. So I multiply by plus a. So ax square plus a. Now I subtract. Again these two will go. Then you have this. Are you guys able to follow? Very good, Sonu. That's awesome. Everybody clear with this? Very good, Matthew. I'm so happy that you guys are following. So guys, shall we move forward? Yes, everybody? Cool? Okay, great. So let us proceed now. Let's move forward to the next one. The next one which I want to teach you guys. Many of you were asking me when I was taking the sprint. When I was taking the sprint sessions, I used to feel bad because many of my 11th standard students used to miss out because they didn't know what is factorial. Okay, so don't worry. I am gonna help you, my ninjas, to crack this factorial, and we will see how to open it. Okay? Yes, Kiran. So Kiran is saying, sir, we are ninjas. You have to call us ninjas only. Okay. So don't worry, spicy marshmallow. We will see how to understand factorials. So guys, factorials are nothing but the product of the first n natural numbers. So if I say n factorial, it is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 till n factorial, till n. Okay. Now, for example, if I want to find 4 factorial, what is that? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, which is 24. What is 5 factorial? 5 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Are you guys able to understand that? Are you guys able to understand that? Yeah? Hi Abhay Panda, welcome man. Everybody clear? So that is equal to 120. So this is how you find factorial. And you know what? In WhatsApp and in Facebook, I'm sure in your family groups, right? Your uncles and aunties will pass one message. I don't know whether you guys have seen it. I'll try to show you that. So they used to say, how is this possible? So 64 plus 36 plus 20 is equal to 5. How can it be possible? So if you guys do not know what is factorial, you will be thinking and you will be replying your uncle, uncle, how can it be added to 5? This seems very wrong, uncle. But why is it correct? It is correct because this 5 is not 5, it is 5 factorial. So what is 5 factorial? So that is why it is correct, okay. Bad joke. Okay, so that is how it works. Because 64 plus 36 is 100, 100 plus 20 is 120, and then that is equal to 5 factorial. Got it? So that is how it works, and that is why it is passed down in WhatsApp and all that. Okay, so now let's come back to our topic here. Now I'm sure everybody has got it. You know how to calculate any factorial. If I give you 10 factorial, you know it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 till 10. Now Maruti is asking a very good question. Maruti Neta. She's asking, sir, why is 0 factorial equal to 1? Guys, 0 factorial is defined to be 1. Okay, we do not get it, rather we define it beforehand. I hope everybody is cool with that. Okay, so 0 factorial, Abe Panda, is defined to be equal to 1. Got it? Now I'll ask you a very good question. Please listen carefully. I want you to find the units digit of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial all the way up to 2020 Corona time factorial. Can you guys do that? Sir, now only you taught me factorial and you want me to calculate 2020 factorial. This is very bad, sir. How can we do it? Think about it. Think about it. Let me see how many of you are able to solve it. Okay. People are saying 0. People are saying 1. Give me 1,000 years. Okay. So Banu, I'm going to do some magic and I'm going to reduce that 1,000 years to just 30 seconds. So how do we reduce those 1,000 years that you have to take to solve this into just 30 seconds? Listen carefully. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, because 3 factorial is what? 1 into 2 into 3, 6. 4 factorial is 24. I showed you now only. 5 factorial is 120. Whatever comes after 5 factorial will always have last digit as 0. Laddu. Whatever comes after 5 factorial will obviously have last digit as 0. Did you guys forget that? Because what is 6 factorial? 6 factorial is 5 factorial into 6. So it is 120 into 6. So that is 720. Like that, every factorial that you have at the end will have 0 only. So the answer is what? 933. So answer is 3. Was it difficult? Did you guys like it? Everybody? So was it a 1,000-year question? Nope, not at all. It was just a 30-second question. You have to get the observation right. You have to see that it is going to be having a pattern. Are you all clear with it? Exactly, Bhumina Darshan. Exactly, Kirito. Okay, so let us move forward. I hope you guys are all ready for the next question that is to come. Banu, what I was saying is, so if you write 1 factorial, it is 1. 2 factorial is what, Banu? 2 factorial is 1 into 2, which is 2. 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3, which is 6. 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, and that is 24, Banu. And 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, which is 120. Now 6 factorial, Banu, will always end with a 0, is what I'm saying. Any factorial apart from 5 and before that will always end with a 0. So you take any factorial, it will always end with a 0, because any n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial, and you can keep bringing it down. So it will always have a factor of 5 and 2. Exactly. Got it? So 6 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 9 factorial, Banu, everything will have 0 as the last digit. So we want to track the last digit only, right? So everything is 0 from here till 2020. Then only these are important. So the answer is 1 plus 6, 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 10 is 13, and 3 is the units digit. That's it. Are you guys clear? Everybody? Everybody? Uncharted, the factorials are added. But how do you get 7 factorial? 7 factorial is also ending with 0, na? Doesn't matter whether I add it or not. So it will be 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 24 plus 120 plus 720 plus 5040 plus 40,320 and so on. This is 8 factorial. So you see, even if I add it, the last digit is going to remain the same, right? Getting it? So it doesn't matter uncharted. Are you all able to follow? Everybody? Banu? Why only unit digit? Because that is what we can calculate and that is what I have asked you in the question. Are you guys clear with it? Brilliant. So let us move forward. Let's try to solve this question. Come on guys. Now this is a good question. Please try to solve it. Samar Solanki, you'll have to refresh your page or please check your internet connection. You can upgrade the video to high quality. Okay, please check it. So guys, everybody try this. I want to know the answers. Come on. So I have given you n factorial, 3 into n factorial and n plus 1 factorial are in GP. So can I say, I will help you out with the first line. I will help you out with the first line. Listen carefully. So 3 into n factorial whole square will be equal to n factorial into n plus 1 factorial. Did you guys understand that? Because they are in GP. Because they are in GP. Can you guys get that? Everybody? Okay, I'm just giving you the first line alone. I'm not going to solve it fully. I hope you guys can do it from here. Everybody please try to do it guys. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Vedant, we will check it Vedant, whether you are right or wrong. I will check it out in a short while. But till then, let everybody try. I want all the ninjas to try it out and come up with the perfect answer in a quick time. So everybody says A. Maruti Marla says C. Banu says HP. Abe says A. Paul says n equal to 8. Very good guys, that's absolutely right. The answer is option A. And you guys are all absolutely correct. It is n equal to 8. Very good Jashwant. Awesome, awesome. So how do we do this? Let's solve it. It will be 9 into n factorial whole square is equal to n factorial into n plus 1 factorial. So I can cancel 1 n factorial and now I'll have 9 into n factorial is equal to, can I write n plus 1 factorial as n plus 1 into n factorial? That is a very nice property because I can write 5 factorial as 5 into 4 factorial. Are you guys getting it? That's exactly what I've done. So n plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 into n factorial. Now this and this will get cancelled. So I'll have n plus 1 is equal to 9. You see how easy it is? That's it. N equal to 8. So this is the first step of the question. This is the first part which you guys have to do. Now after this, what do I do? After this, what I need to do is, I need to plug it back over there and check what is happening. Okay. So everybody clear with this? Can I remove this? Can I remove this? Harini, GP formula, I will tell you Harini. If you have ABC in GP, then B square is equal to AC. That is what I did Harini. That is what I did. Okay. So B square is equal to A into C. That's exactly what I did. Are you able to follow Harini? Got it? So now let's clear this. Now we got n equal to 8. So the three terms are 8 factorial, 5 into 8 factorial, comma 9 factorial. Okay. Now can I write 9 factorial as, 9 into 8 factorial? Yeah. So can I take 8 factorial common? I will be left out with 1, 5 and 9. So don't you think they are in AP? So the answer is AP. As simple as that. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody? Everybody? Very good, Kirito. That's absolutely right. Yes, yes, yes. You can do that as well. Are you all clear with it? Any doubts that you want to ask me? Very good, Vanita. Very good, Archana, Bhumina Darshan, Asim. Very good, Asim. That's awesome. I'm so happy that you're following it. So shall we proceed, guys? Exactly, Paul. Paul, you're absolutely right. Twice the middle term should be equal to sum of the extreme terms. You guys are correct. Okay, let's move forward now. So the next topic which I want to teach you guys is exponent of a prime in n factorial. This is very, very important. Kiran Kumar, the next topic will be on calculus part 2, which will be integration. Integral calculus. So Kiran is asking, sir, the next Menti session on Tuesday, will it be of which chapter? It will be of integration. Okay. So guys, now what does this mean? What this means is, for example, let us say 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 120. Can I write this as 2 cube into 3 into 5? Are you guys okay with that? Are you guys okay with that? Everybody. So now can I say the highest exponent of 3 in 5 factorial is 1. The highest exponent of 5 in 5 factorial is 1. The highest exponent of 2 in 5 factorial is 3. Are you guys able to understand that? Now 5 factorial is such a small value. It is just 120. So you could do it very easily. Everybody is telling the answer. Everybody is understanding it. But what if I give you 100 factorial? Can you tell me what is the power of 3? Highest power? How to do this? For that, I will teach you a very shortcut technique. Forget about all this. I'm going to teach you something even easier. Listen very carefully. So to find the exponent of any prime, please understand prime only for prime. Okay. So now if I want to find the highest power of p, that is highest power of 3 in 100 factorial, how do I do it? Okay, so this is a question for you in the next slide. So I don't want to take 3, I will take 2. Okay, so 2 power p I want to find out. Is 2 a prime number? Is 2 a prime number? So can I use this? I can use this. Yes, 2 is a prime. Everybody knows that. So the way to do it is, take the number 100 and divide by 2. You will get 50. Now divide 50 by 2. You will get 25. Divide 25 by 2. You will get 12. Write only the integer part. Don't write the decimals. Divide 12 by 2. You will get 6. Divide 6 by 2. You will get 3. Divide 3 by 2. You will get 1. Divide 1 by 2. You will get decimal. So no point. This is the answer. So 50 plus 25 is 75, 85, 87, 93, 96, 97. So the answer is 2 to the power 97 will be there in 100 factorial. Did you guys like it? Isn't it beautiful? Vedant is absolutely right. So that is exactly what they have written. But this doing it will be taking you a while. So this is a better method. This is a shorter way of doing it. Something very, very cool and efficient. Okay, and you will never go wrong. Okay, are you guys clear with it? Very, very good. Okay, now let's see how to do 5 factorial. Okay, let's see how to do powers of 5. Because Kiran is asking do for 3, I'm gonna do it for 5 powers. So how will I do that, Kiran? 100 divided by 5 is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 divided by 5 is 0. Answer is 24. So the highest power of 5 in 100 factorial is 24. Did you guys understand that? Are you guys able to follow it? Exactly, Jashwant, you are right. Are you guys able to follow it? So you just keep dividing by the prime you are looking at. So previously I divided by 2 because I was looking at powers of 2. Now I am looking at powers of 5, so I will divide by 5. Everybody clear with it? So this is a beautiful concept. Let's use it in the question in the next slide. Please do it, guys. Let me see how many of you are able to solve it correctly. Exactly, Kirito, you are right. Okay, so all of you try it out. Maruti Neta says 48. Ryan says B. Kirito is confident it is A. Sri Charan says B. Kiran asked this question. Okay. Joanna says 48. Okay. Abe could not understand. Abe, don't worry. I will help you, Abe. Okay. When I am explaining, try to understand it. And if you have doubts, feel free to ask Abe. Okay. Feel free to ask. We will try to clarify all your questions. Okay, let me solve it, guys. So Abe, first of all, we want to find out the highest exponent of 3 in 100 factorial. So when I express 100 factorial, Abe, I can express it as prime factors 2 to the power alpha 1, 3 to the power alpha 2, 5 to the power alpha 3, 7 to the power alpha 4, and all the way up to 97 to the power alpha 97 or alpha something, whatever, alpha k. So this is the prime factorization of 100 factorial. Do you guys agree with me on that? Do you guys agree with me on that? This is how you prime factorize 100 factorial. I'm sure everybody understands this. Now, Abe, what I want to find is, I want to find alpha 2. I want to find alpha 2, Abe. So that is the technique what I'm using right now. Are you all able to understand? So to find alpha 2, Abe, I am teaching a very shortcut method, a very easy and efficient manner. How do we do it? Listen very carefully, Abe. Okay. So when you want the power of 3 in 100 factorial, what we will do is, you will take 100, divide 100 by 3, and then you will get 33, na? Got it? That is the first step. Then the second step is, divide 33 by 3, 11. Now divide 11 by 3. 11 by 3 is 3. I have to tell only the integer part. I will not tell the decimal part. Now divide 3 by 3, you will get 1. So the answer is, are you all clear? Did you guys like it? Are you able to understand it, guys? Everybody, are you all very clear with it? No problem, Kirito, that's fine. I hope you figured out where you went wrong. Yes, everybody? Very good, Kiran, that's awesome. Now don't think you guys can escape. I am going to give you something even more complicated. Okay, so here we go to the next question. Please do it. Now this will be a real challenge. Let me see who can get it right. Please go for it, guys. I want answers. I want answers. So please go for it. Okay, Abe, very good, man. I am happy that you understood it. Jumana says D. Is everybody getting D? Is everybody getting D? Yes? All my ninjas. Are you guys getting D? Yes. You guys have absolutely done what I wanted. Because D is wrong. Guys, D is not correct, guys. Okay, please do it. D is not correct, guys. Come on. I gave this question to trap all of you. I gave this question just to trap everybody. Because it is not the right answer. Okay. So all the ninjas are falling into the same trap. Okay? You ninjas have to be trained very well, I think. Exactly. 10 is not a prime number. I told you to use the formula only for prime numbers. When did you learn that 10 is a prime number? Guys, come on. So it is not 111. The answer is option A. Very good, Bhumina. Very good, Matthew. Very good. You guys are all absolutely right. Sonu is also right. So how do we do this question? Listen carefully. So can I say 10 is equal to 2 into 5? Yeah. So I need 1 2 and 1 5 to form 10. So what I'll do is I will find exponent of 2 in 1000 factorial and I will find exponent of 5 in 1000 factorial. Okay, so what will this be? Yes, study, I will help you, don't worry. So what will this be? This will be 500 plus 250 plus, what do we have? 125 plus 62 plus 31 plus 15 plus 7 plus 3 plus 1. That's it. I hope I did that correct. Now this will be what? 200 plus 40 plus 8 plus 1. Now this is 249. And don't you think this will be a very large number? I think 994. Can you guys please verify it? 750, 850, 875, 875, 937 and 968. Then 978, 990, 994. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so 994. So what I have is 2 power 994 and 5 power 249. So which is the limiting reagent? I'm using a little bit of chemistry, but it's all right. Which is the limiting reagent to form 10? 5 is the limiting guy. Because 5 gets over. Because 5 gets over. So the answer is 249. You cannot have more than 249 10. Because after 249, 5 is over. There is no more 5. You have lots of 2. But 5 is not there to pair up with it to give 10. Are you guys able to understand? So you have to choose the lowest power. You guys have to choose the lowest power. Are you guys clear? Everybody? Everybody clear with it, guys? Are you all able to understand? Exactly, Sri Charan. I taught it in the KVPY lecture. Absolutely. Very good, Bhumina Darshan. That's awesome. Cool. So whenever you want to find for a non-prime number, what I would recommend is go for the higher term. Just find for the highest factor. Okay, that would be a better way. So instead of finding 2, I will directly find 5. Why? Because I know 2 will anyway have more power. Are you guys able to understand? Everybody? So shall I move forward? Everybody? Can we move ahead, guys? KVPY lecture, I have taken it last year in the JEE channel, Fiona. Okay, so in the last year, I was taking KVPY in the JEE channel. If you guys are interested, check it out. Okay, so let us proceed to the next topic. Finally, we are here at permutation. So what is permutation? So if you have attended my sessions, you guys must all be aware that permutation means arrangement. So for example, if we have 10 people, I want to arrange them in a row, then I will use permutation. Are you guys able to understand? Exactly. So slowly we are moving into arrangements. Let's talk about it in detail. So what does permutation mean? It basically means arrangement. That is how I want you guys to understand it. So it is nothing but the number of ways of arranging something. So if you have, let's say, for example, 10 people and you want to select 5 of them and arrange them in a row, then the answer is 10p5. And what is 10p5? It is 10 factorial by 10 minus 5 factorial. So that is how you figure it out. Are you guys able to understand? Exactly. So you select and arrange. That is permutation. You select and then arrange. That is permutation. I want you guys to be very clear about it. Okay? Are you all able to understand? So 10p5 can be thought of it like this. 10p5 can be thought of it as 10c5. I select 5 people from 10 and arrange those 5. Don't you think these two are equal? Don't you think these two are equal? Absolutely. Exactly, Kirito. You are right. You are right. Combination means selection. So 10p5, that is out of 10 choosing 5 and arranging, can be thought of as choosing 5, which is selecting 5. Combination means selecting and arranging those 5 in 5 factorial ways. Are you guys equal? Are these two guys equal? Yes, because permutation is selecting and arranging. Are you all clear with it now? Okay, so you all have to be comfortable with NPR formula. Please note it down. NPR is what? The number of ways of choosing R objects from N and arranging those R objects. Let me repeat it. NPR means the number of ways of choosing R objects and arranging those R objects out of N. Everybody clear? Banu, NPR means it is nothing but out of N objects, you choose R objects and you arrange those R objects. So that is what is given by this formula. So NPR can also be thought of as choosing R objects first and arranging those R objects. Got it? Everybody clear? So I will show you examples, Banu. It will make it very, very simple. So wait for it. Let's go to examples. These are very basic concepts. So let's look at an example over here and then we will try to solve it. Please do it. So this is a very good example. We will see how to use permutation over here. Exactly, Kiran Kumar. What Kiran Kumar has said is absolutely right. Banu, you can make note of that. So out of N distinct objects, if we have to choose R objects and arrange, we will use permutation. Okay? Jashwant, we will try to do it for a few more minutes because I am also excited and we have a good concept to cover. We will do that and then we will get going. Okay? So Uncharted says B, VSG says A, Sri Charan says A. So what is the right answer? How do we do this question? So do you guys see that there are 8 people and we want to see how many ways can the first 3 students win the prize. So it is nothing but 8p3 because I want to select 3 students and arrange them in 3 places. I want to select 3 out of 8 and I want to arrange them because first place, second place and third place can be arranged in different manner with the same people. So if I select A, B, C, I can arrange them in different ways. These are all different ways. So that is what they want. They want to know how many ways it is possible. So the answer is 8 factorial by 5 factorial. And what is that? It is 6 into 7 into 8. So that is going to be 336. Are you all clear with it, guys? So it is going to be 336, which is the answer. If you guys have doubt, let me know. Maruti Merla, why will you multiply by 3 factorial? If you do 8p3, don't multiply by 3 factorial. If you do 8c3, then multiply by 3 factorial. It is 8c3 into 3 factorial. That is correct. Okay. But if you say 8p3 into 3, you are absolutely wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody? Any questions for me? Exactly. No problem, Maruti. I hope you got it. So shall we move forward, guys? Everybody comfortable now? Simple laddu questions. Okay, let's go ahead. Now moving on to the next one. Please do this. Let's see how many of you can crack it. Everybody should try it. Everybody should try it and preferably get the right answer also. Please do it, guys. Come on, quickly. Exactly. Into 3 factorial, Kirito. Yeah, you're right. Into 3 factorial will give you the right answer, Kirito. I think you missed a factorial sign. VSG says A. VSG, you have to check it. That's not right. What is the difference between permutation and combination? Harini, permutation means arranging. Combination means selecting. Okay. Are you able to understand? So for example, who is that? I think Harini asked, right? So Harini, if you see A, B, C and D, okay, you have 4 letters. How many ways can I select 3 letters? That is given by 4C3. So out of 4 letters, I choose 3. So I can choose it in 4 ways. What are the 4 ways? ABC, BCD, and then CDA, and then DAB. So these are the 4 ways you can select 3 letters. Got it? Now, what does 4p3 mean? 4p3 is nothing but 4 factorial by 1, which is 24. So 4p3 means arranging them. So if I take DAB, this itself will give me 6 ways. Because I can have DAB, I can have DBA, I can have BAD, I can have BDA, I can have ABD, I can have ADB. So 6, like that, this will give me 6, this will give me 6, this will give me 6. So 6, 6, 6, 6, 24. So that is your permutation. Did you get it now? That is your permutation. Did you guys understand it now? Are you guys able to follow? So that is the difference, Harini, between permutation and combination. I hope this simple examples clarify it for you. Okay? So now coming back to our question. How many different signals? So if you select one flag, the different signals you can make is 6p1. If you select 2 flags, the different signals you can make is 6p2 and all the way up to 6p6. This is the answer. Because you can take 1 flag or you can take 2 flag or you can take 3 flag or you can take 4 flag, 5 flag, 6 flag. So 6p1 is what? 6. 6p2 is how much? 6p2 is 30, yeah? Yes? 6p3 is how much? 4 into 5 into 6, that will be 120 and then 720 plus 720 and 6p4 is how much? 6p4 is 360, I guess. Yeah. Is that correct? Can you guys check it? If you add all of it up, you have to get 1956. And do we get that? Everybody? So that is the way to do it. Are you all clear with it? So can you guys let me know in the chat? Everybody cool with this? Yes? So guys, so we will probably continue from here in the next session, but I have a few homework for you. I want you guys to try out these questions based on the formula here, which I've already taught you in binomial theorem. Okay, I've already taught you this in binomial theorem. So definitely check it out, and we will meet tomorrow at 4 p.m. So mark your calendars. We'll have another epic session with all our ninjas together. And if you guys are interested in Vedantu, where you can study full time in a very organized manner with test series and all the necessary resources, then please check out this pro subscription, and this is available for an offer of 20% discount. Okay, so definitely check it out, and we will meet again tomorrow. Guys, please be a part of the Telegram group, because I will update the session PDF over there. And also give a like, share this to your friends, subscribe to our channel, and we'll have a great time together, because we have a long journey. Okay, thank you Archana, thank you guys. Take care, all of you, do well. Please study hard and stay safe. Okay, bye bye guys, take care, see you in the next one.